Oh, Brewster and Maggie have arrived. Hello. Hello, you two. I see you're as excited as me to get the cover off my Swanboat. Dearie dear, where did that come from? Ahem. Like I was saying, it's a grand day for the...
I think you're right, Brewster. Helvetica has a case of hiccups.
Hiccups? I never get the...
What do you think, Brewster?
What did Brewster say?
He thinks you need to stand on your head and count to 1,000 backwards. That's good, but I think you should also hold your breath. Hug yourself tightly and drink a jug of water. Yes, Helvetica is doing fine. The hiccups are as good as gone.
Oh, bother.